What if I told you that one simple habit could quietly change how your brain thinks, how your heart pumps, how your skin looks, and how your energy feels, all within minutes? And the crazy part? Most people don't even realize what's happening inside their body when they drink water at the right time. Your body reacts instantly, but how? Watch this video to the end because you're gonna gain a lot from this video. Imagine your body like a busy city. Your brain is the control center. Your heart is the main pump station. Your blood vessels are highways. Your kidneys are cleaning factories. Now imagine this city, running low on water. Things slow down. Traffic builds up. Systems struggle. Now imagine the moment water arrives. Let's go inside your body and see what really happens. Before we dive in, just a quick note, I'm not a doctor. This channel is for educational purposes only, where we explain how the human body works in everyday life. If you ever have concerns about your health, please speak with a qualified medical professional. The journey starts in your mouth. You swallow. The water travels down your esophagus, a soft food pipe, and lands in your stomach. Here's something surprising. Water doesn't stay in your stomach for long. It quickly moves into your small intestine. And this is where the magic begins. Inside your small intestine are tiny finger-like structures called villi. Think of them like tiny sponges. They absorb the water into your bloodstream. Now your blood becomes slightly more fluid. This is what typically happens inside the body. Blood flows more smoothly. The heart doesn't have to work as hard. Oxygen and nutrients travel more easily. It's like adding oil to a machine, everything runs smoother. Your brain is about 75% water. When you drink enough water on time, this is how the body responds. Brain cells maintain their shape. Signals travel efficiently. You feel more alert. Have you ever felt tired or foggy, then suddenly felt better after drinking water? That's not magic. That's hydration helping your brain communicate better. Even mild dehydration can make thinking feel harder. But when water levels are balanced, your brain works the way it's designed to. Your heart pumps blood every second of your life. When you're well hydrated, this is what typically happens inside the body. Blood volume stays stable. Circulation improves. Oxygen delivery becomes efficient. Think of trying to pump thick mud versus smooth liquid. Water keeps blood from becoming too concentrated. This helps the entire system flow better. Now we reach one of the most important parts. Your kidneys. Your kidneys are like two smart filters in your lower back. Their job is to remove waste from your blood. When you drink enough water on time, this is how the body responds. Waste dissolves properly. Water helps carry unwanted substances out of the body through urine. Without enough water, waste becomes more concentrated. But with proper hydration, the system runs smoothly. Have you ever wondered how your body cools down? Sweat. Sweat is mostly water. When your body temperature rises, during exercise or heat, your brain signals sweat glands to release moisture onto your skin. That moisture evaporates and cools you down. If you're properly hydrated, this cooling system works efficiently. If not, it becomes harder for the body to regulate temperature. Water also plays a quiet but powerful role in digestion. It helps break down food, move nutrients, keep stool soft and easy to pass. This is what typically happens inside the body when hydration is balanced. Food moves smoothly through your digestive tract. Without enough water, digestion can slow down. With enough water, the process becomes easier and more efficient. Let's talk about something people care about a lot: skin. Your skin cells contain water. If you drink a lot of water at once, you're fully hydrated for the whole day. Not exactly. Your body prefers steady intake. Think of watering a plant. Pouring 5 liters at once floods it. Giving it water regularly keeps it healthy. This is what typically happens inside the body when water is spaced out. The kidneys regulate properly. Fluid levels stay stable. Timing matters. Imagine two people. One drinks water regularly throughout the day. The other forgets and drinks only when extremely thirsty. By afternoon, the hydrated person may feel more stable energy. The dehydrated person might feel sluggish, slightly dizzy, or tired. Again, this is how the body responds. Not magic. Just biology. So what happens when you drink enough water on time? Inside your body, blood flows smoothly. Brain signals improve. Heart pumps efficiently. Kidneys filter properly. Digestion moves comfortably. Temperature stays regulated. Water doesn't give you superpowers. It allows your body to operate the way it was designed to. Remember at the beginning when I said one simple habit can change how your brain thinks, how your heart pumps, and how your energy feels? That habit isn't complicated. The next time you take a sip of water, think about the tiny highways in your blood, the silent filters in your kidneys, the electrical signals in your brain, all responding instantly. The human body isn't just biology, it's engineered perfection. Subscribe to explore what's happening beneath your skin.